Okay, so I'm going to use this first short video to kind of demonstrate how a flipped video is going to work for my class. And we're just going to quickly go over all the things that we went through in our 20-minute session today. And this flipped video should take us no more than about 3 minutes long. So this is Korinek's classroom. I'm in 109 of Lincoln High School. Chemistry is not only taught by me this year, it's actually taught by Mr. Evenson and Mrs. Ademeyer and Mrs. Christensen as well. So you've got one of us four teaching chemistry this year, and at semester some of you will actually transfer between teachers. So I'll have some of you all year, and maybe I only have some of you for the first semester. That's how it typically goes. Alright, so just the expectations that we went through in class. I gave you the class manual. That class manual has everything for the first semester, literally everything for the first semester in it. You could essentially do all the worksheets right now, hand it all in, and then you wouldn't have any work to do for the rest of the semester. But that would be insane, so try to avoid doing that. Also in there is like an explanation of the grading process and an explanation of the laboratory process. Real quickly, two words that are very important in my class, you'll see them hanging up in my class at some point in time, are formative and summative. I have a lot of formative assessments. Formative means they're not graded. They may go in the grade book just to show somebody that you actually completed them, but they do not affect your grade. So homework is a formative assessment. So you might be asking, well, do I need to do homework? Well, necessarily, no, you don't. You could actually not do any homework the entire year and actually get a good grade. However, those homework assignments are the assignments that will actually prepare you for tests and quizzes. So it will behoove you to do as much homework as you can, probably all of it. Summative, on the other hand, a summative assessment is one that I actually grade. Lab reports, lab quizzes, tests, and finals. There's a safety contract in the lab manual that you'll be required to sign and get that back ASAP. We will talk a little bit about LTC transcription, which means if you do well in this class, a C or better, you can actually get credits not only towards LTC, but also towards any UW school. So we talked about that in class, and there's a little blue sheet that you had. We also went over general rules like cell phone policies and how do I go to the bathroom and what do I do if I'm not here for a day, all of those little things. I told you did need a bound composition style lab notebook. They're about $1 if you go to like Walmart or Staples or something like that. They're not too bad. Any color is fine, black, green, purple, they make all different colors. And then finally we went over tech in the classroom, and you're obviously looking at some of the tech in the classroom right now. The fact that I do most of the lectures by flipping them so you get to watch them at home. There's also the website, there's a Twitter following page, and then the Google Drive format that we'll use. So that's your first flip video.